Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a class on WizIQ. First of all, go to Google search and type in integrating technology um, .wiziq@speed.com. And so you should be taken to this page where you sign up if you don't have an account. But if you have an account, like I do, you click on login, and then your details, if you are not filled in, fill in your email address and password and click on login. So on this page, they're showing you courses or classes that are already scheduled. So we want to schedule a class or create a class course. But before I do that, I just want to show you that you can go in or log in as an instructor or as a learner. But I'm in as an instructor. So if you log in as a learner, there are some features that you may be able to see. So I'm in as an instructor and I want to create a course. So I'm going to click on create a scheduled class or course, and I can choose to to give a free course or paid one. So this time around I'm going to give a free course, and it's going to be available to people that are only registered for this academy. And I'm going to have 4 instructors who are part of our group, and I'm going to choose Anna, and I'm also going to select another second person that is in my group, Jerica. So, and I'm going to enable the discussion that place in the class, and I click on next. So on this page, I'm going to choose a date that I would like the course to take place. Then I select the 6th of May until the 8th of May. And the course title is going to be exploring WizIQ. And I can click on save, double check the date if it's exactly what I want, and if that's okay, I click confirm. And this page is showing the course that I scheduled for this particular day to that. And if I want to add activities, I can add, if I want to add, for example, a file, or want this class to be recorded and assign, I can click on one of that. And let's click on record the class. Yeah. So it shows that I have not selected any class yet. So just go to next and give a subtitle, online teaching, and then the first highlights. I'm going to talk about how to schedule class and WizIQ, and WizIQ features, and using WizIQ features. Well, about a course. It's about WizIQ. So I'm going to select the language that I want to be used in the course, which is English, and I click on publish the course. So when I click on this, I will actually receive an email with a link that I can share to the people that are going to attend the class. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video on how to identify features found on WizIQ.